Today I'm going to show you how to find coffee shops along your route on Google Maps on Android. To do this, open Maps, enter your destination in the search box, let's say Birmingham. Tap on Directions. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Edit Stops. Now tap and hold your destination, then move it below. Next, tap on Choose Stop along your route. You can now select what you want to search for along your route. I'll choose coffee shops. A list will be displayed showing all the coffee shops along your route. You can select one to see where it is on the map. You can also view all the coffee shops directly on the map and tap the ones you're interested in. Once you've decided, tap Add Stop. Then tap Done. As you can see, Maps will now show stop A as the coffee shop and stop B as your final destination. When you're ready to drive, tap Start. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.